Next section, variability of culture. Culture is variable from religion to religion, community to community, nation to nation, etc. Factors of cultural variability: historical accidents, geographical environment, mobility of human organism, inventions and discoveries, causes of cultural variability. First, cultural diffusion. Second, accommodation. 3, cross-fertilization. 4, acculturation. 5, assimilation. 6, enculturation. 7, ethnocentrism. 8, cultural lag. On first, cultural diffusion. Cultural diffusion is a process by which the cultural traits invented or discovered in a one society and spread directly or indirectly to other society. Example, Buddhist culture in India to China. Look at this picture. Culture 1 transfer to culture 2. Look at this map. Transcultural society. Diffusion of culture from one country to another country. Factors influencing cultural diffusion. First factor, religion, then communication, needs, desire, competition of old traits, reception, recognition, new traits, second, accommodation. The new ideas which have been acquired through diffusion have to be accommodation with the features of other culture. This illustrative diagram, the culture 1 transfer to culture 2 and adopt with each other and create new culture. Three, cross-fertilization. The conjunction of two cultures is beneficial to both. This illustrative diagram, culture 1, culture 2. Example, Western culture and Indian culture fertilize with each other, and that is beneficial to both. 4, acculturation. When conjunction of two cultures occur causing cultural growth, and then they are intimately related to each other rather than identified by its own process, is called as acculturation. Example, learning to speak their language. Look at this illustrative diagram. Culture 1, culture 2 intimately related to each other rather than identified. 5. Assimilation. The experience gained is accumulated and passed on one generation to its successive generations through social heritage. Look at this illustrative picture. Accumulated and passed one generation to another generation. Generation 1, the culture transferred to generation 2. 6. Enculturization. When a growing child learns to conform to his own cultural tradition is known as enculturization. Illustrative picture. C1, learn to own cultural traditions. C2, learn to own cultural tradition. Change culture. 7. Ethnocentrism. It is the belief that one's own culture is superior to all others and using it as preference to one's own self or group. Advantages of ethnocentrism. It promotes group choosiness. This refers nationalism and patriotism. Disadvantage: communalism. Look at this illustrative diagram. Tendency: own culture is superior. Culture 1 feel that my culture is superior. Culture 2 feel that no, my culture only superior, which cause communalism. 8. Cultural lag. The word lag means crippled movement. Hence, cultural lag means the faltering of one aspect of cultural behind another. The material cultural progress or better comparison to non-material culture. Look at this illustrative diagram. Crippled movement. Material and non-material cultural traits. MC material culture, grip with non-material culture, and cause social change or cultural change. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.